Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra, Part 1, the wonderful adornments of the leaders of the worlds. Adornment of stable blessings, beautiful flower-adorned tree, universal distributor of treasures, pure eye observing the season, beautiful supreme eye, fragrant hair emitting light, pleasing sound, curled top knot of beautiful flowers, diamond-adorned body, and so on. They had all in the past made profound, grave vows, vowing to always associate with the Buddhas and cultivate the same virtuous acts. There were also innumerable mountain spirits, led by such as jewel peak blooming flower, flower forest beautiful topknot, lofty banner shining everywhere, undefiled jewel topknot, light illumining all directions, light of great power, awesome light conquering all. Light orb of subtle intensity, universal eye clearly seeing, adamantine eye of mystery. They had all attained pure eyes in regarding all things. There were also an inconceivable number of forest spirits, led by such spirits as spreading flowers like clouds, outstanding trunk unfolding light, bearing branches emitting radiance, auspicious pure leaves, draped flame treasury. Pure light, pleasant thunder, light and fragrance all-pervading, subtle light shining far, flowers and fruits savouring of light, and so on. They all had infinite pleasing glows. There were also innumerable herb spirits, led by such as auspicious sandalwood forest, pure light, universal renown, radiant pause, universal purifier, aurora, banner of light outshining the sun, seeing in all directions, energy augmenting clear eyes, and so on. Their natures were all free from defilement, and they helped beings with kindness and compassion. There were also innumerable crop spirits, led by such spirits as gentle, superb flavor, pure light of seasonal flowers, physical strength, courage, and health, increasing vitality, everywhere producing roots and fruits, wonderfully adorned circular topknot, moistening pure flowers, developing wonderful fragrance, liked by all who see, undefiled pure light. All of them had attained perfection of great joyfulness. There were also innumerable river spirits, led by such spirits as everywhere producing swift currents.